Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and it is our favorite time of the month. It is the time in which we unbox my Stitch Fix for the month. You guys love these videos. I love these videos. They're some of my favorite to do here on my channel. And this is my box for October. It is a little bit delayed. I apologize for that. However, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on into what I got. All right, friends, so getting into the products that I got in this month, I do also have my little cheat sheet because you guys have been asking me for prices on items, so I thought I would be able to read them off for you guys. So the first thing we have is this very soft, what is this? Oh, cute, like long green cardigan, which looks very comfortable. This is by Market & Spruce, which they include a lot in their boxes. I've gotten quite a few stuff from them, and this is extremely soft. I wish you guys could feel this. It's super comfortable and long and has pockets. Very nice. And as always, as you guys know, I will try on everything at the end of this video so you guys can see what it looks like on my body. But this is the Market & Spruce Hadley brushed rib detailed cardigan in olive size small. Super cute. And the price for this one, it looks like, is $44. As always, you guys do get $20 off if you guys want to use my code down below. You also get a discount if you order everything in the box, standard for the Stitch Fix. So first item, super cute, love that. The next is a really cute pair of light wash jeans. I've gotten quite a few jeans in my Stitch Fix. They're a little hit or miss depending on the brand, I will say. And so we'll have to try these on and see how they feel. But these are really cute, very basic, very light white like light wash jeans. And yeah, pretty standard skinny jean, which is what I always go for. That's my style of jean. These are the Blank NYC Glorious Skinny Knit Jean in Indigo size 0. These are not indigo by any imagination. These are a very light wash, as you guys can see, very light wash of jean. But the price of these ones, it looks like, is going for, on the website, $78. So jeans for them tend to be a little bit more expensive. These do look very high-waisted, I will say, which is always my favorite. So we'll try them on. You guys can tell me what you think. As always, I love to talk to you guys in the comments, and you can let me know what you think. Okay, next we have this, which looks very comfy and cozy. Oh yeah, this is like an oatmeal colored. It looks a little more gray on camera than in person, but this is definitely more of an oatmeal, like almondy colored, very comfy knit sweater. This is gonna be really cute. I actually really like this. It'll be interesting to see what it looks like on, but you know how it goes. So this is the Pink Clover Nicole textured pullover in beige size small. It's a little bit oversized. The bottom kind of does the little scoop up on the sides thing, which I really enjoy, a little bit more like ovaled on the bottom. This, it looks like, is going for $44. So actually not a bad price for this. And it's actually pretty cute too. So see what it looks like on my body. Okay, two more items. This looks like, what is this? No, but really, like, what is it? Hold please. Okay. Oh, cute. Oh, it's like a t-shirt dress. Fun. Okay, so this is a pretty heavy knit, like with a little pocket, it looks like. Yep, a little like side pocket. This is another Market & Spruce item. This is the Market & Spruce Allison knit t-shirt dress in navy size small. These sometimes work for me. To be honest, I'm pretty big chested for my size, so I don't know how this will go in the chesticle area, if you know what I mean, and it looks a little thin, so we'll try it on, see what it looks like. It does look and feel very soft and comfortable though, so I really like that, but sometimes these aren't the best fit for me. Oh, and dropped my price sheet. The price for that one, it looks like, is navy size small, $38. So everything actually, other than the jeans this month, was actually pretty fairly priced, around $40 it looks like, which is great, including this shirt, which is $42. So I'll say that now. And this is a really cute style. I'm really gonna have to try this one on. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is not my typical go-to style, but this is a really cute, like teal green kind of cross tie, scalloped bottom. I forget what you call this, like hide, I don't know, at the bottom. You all know what I'm talking about. This is the 9 Britain Cabana faux wrap blouse in teal green size small. And like I said, this was $44 for this one. So this is really cute. I will be honest, I'm not typically a fan of this kind of cinched waist style in a shirt. So we will try it on, see how it looks. But again, as always, this is why I love Stitch Fix, is it definitely gives you options of stuff that you may not have tried on and given the opportunity. So there you go. All right, guys, so that is everything that I got in my Stitch Fix for the month of October. Now let's go ahead and see what everything looks like on my body. Hi friends, so this is the first outfit that I'm trying on of the Stitch Fix. This is obviously the cream colored sweater and the jeans. I'll show you guys. The jeans are really cute, but very snug up in the stomach area. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I really like them though. They're very comfortable, and I don't really have jeans this light wash, but they're kind of one of those that like pulls at the button, and I'm just trying to be very realistic with the jeans that I wear. But I actually do like this combo. This is very my vibe. So as always, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So this is why we try things on. So this is that little tiered ruffle shirt. I'm not mad at it, but it's not my favorite. Like, I just am not feeling like this is really doing anything for me. It's cute. It's a little bit more low cut, but it's tight in the boob area. The shoulders as well are a little snug. The length is actually really good. I like the length. But I don't know, I just feel like it hits a little high on me. I wish it was like a little bit longer on the length, but yeah, I don't know. As always, like I said, let me know what you guys think. I'm kind of iffy about this one. You guys are really gonna have to let me know what you think of these last 2 items. So this is the long kind of t-shirt dress with the little pocket in the top. I think it's the braids. I feel very young in this outfit. Feels like something I probably would have worn in high school, and I'm not really sure how to like dress this in a way that feels adult. Like this, for some reason, to me just feels very young. It's super comfortable, and the length on it's actually pretty great. It goes down to just right above my knee. I almost do wish it was a little bit shorter, but that's fine. The cardigan I'm obsessed with. It's super soft. It's actually cute with, I think, this dress. It's got some fun detailing around the edge. It's so soft, and I really like the length on this one on me, and it's got pockets, which is great. But yeah, you guys, with this box especially, you're gonna have to let me know what you think. I feel like it's kind of all over the place. I do really like some of the stuff. Some of the stuff I'm not a super huge fan of. So as always, let me know down in the comments below which items you think I should get. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching me unbox and try on everything that I got in my October Stitch Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love doing these videos for you guys. As always, let me know down in the comments below which items were your favorite, which ones do you think I should send back. I love talking to you guys and getting your feedback. It is my favorite. Also, as mentioned, check out my code down in the description box if you guys do want to get some money off of your first Stitch Fix box. I love this subscription. It is one of my favorites, so that would be awesome if you guys want to check out that link below. Subscribe to see more of my face. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Ring the bell to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!